Hey y'all, welcome to I'll Be a Mother Trucker, and on today's video we are going to do a tour of my new truck. Okay guys, stay tuned and let's go. Okay y'all, we're going to do a tour of the outside real quick. I'm going to go ahead and turn you around and okay, this is the back, just the pigtail, so forth. I need to get load blocks. It's red. It's a 2019 Freightliner. Okay. It's got the little side door here. It does not have them on both sides. When I buy a truck, they'll be on both sides. The batteries are right there in that little step. And as you see, it's a freight shaker. It's got the old cattle guard. You have to use the pins right there. But anyway, not much to see on the outside. But let's take a quick look at the inside. TV, my bed, my nuker, some of my bowls and stuff. Let's see. Seasoning, stuff like that to cook with. Let's get some of this stuff off here. My little end table. It slides in and out, but here, stuff to cook with. My Instapot, stuff like that. My little side table. Love my bed, real comfortable. And yeah, seasonings, tops, pants, bras and stuff like that. And I also got the dog's water in there where it won't spill. Let's see, shower bag, camera bag, stuff like that, makeup bag, liners, no guessing what that bucket's for. Okay, the front seat, my dog, the cockpit. So that's my deal. Well, that was just a quick 10-cent tour. Later I'll do maybe a more in-depth tour, but I just wanted to get it out to y'all. Please, I'm out of breath, I'm getting old. Please like and subscribe. And please comment, tell me about your truck. Got dark in here, didn't it? Tell me about your truck. And, no, I'm sorry y'all, I gotta find a light. Tell me about your truck, what you like about mine, what you like about yours. And I will talk to y'all later. Stay lovely.